Sino yan? Uy! Sino ka? Pasok, pasok. Pasok. Sige, upo ka dyan. So, what's your name?
Miles.
Miles. How old are you, Miles?
18 years old.
18.
Ang init.
Mainit? Mainit. Natawagan ko si Chip. Wait lang, Miles, ha? Hello, Chip. Ano ba tong aircon mo? Pakilakasan nga tong aircon at may bisita ako. Bilisan mo, ha? Sige. Pakihintay lang, Miles, at tinawagan ko na si Chief Engineer, ha? So, according to your application, what do you do?
School, bahay,
Bahay?
house,
House?
repeat.
Repeat?
School, then uwi, house.
School, then uwi, house.
Then repeat. House, school, school, house.
Then repeat, house, school, school, house.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan,
So, Miles, interviewin kita. How many guys did you boom boom?
Once.
Once? How many times boom boom?
Once! Not enough.
Not enough? So, how many times did you have sex in 1 week?
Once a week.
Once a week?
7 days. One only. Next week, one only.
One only. Next week, one only. So, 2 times.
Ilan ba yung week natin? 4.
kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan.
Once a week, 1. Next week, 1. Paano naging 4 yun?
So week 1. Only 4.
But, do you like sex?
Maybe.
So, Miles, famous nga.
I'm pawis.
With sweat.
Ay, ang init eh.
So sweat. Yeah, alright.
Thank you. Ang laki mo, ang tangkad mo.
Ako matangkad. Putang ina mo. Labas, labas, labas. Labas!